Hi guys, welcome to the quick method. So did you know that you can have an invisible name on Discord? So this is going to be a very fun video. You can spam your friends with an invisible name and you can tease them. You can do a lot of fun stuff by going invisible. So your name will not be visible in chats until you write anything, and that message will be only visible but not your name. So I think you like this video. So let's get into it, how to do it. Okay, so now I'm on my discord.com. So as you can see right now, if I write something to someone, I have a name here, Usman. Okay, so it's my name. So I want to make this invisible. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to go into your user settings, and from here, as you can see, the display name is Usman. So what you have to do is that you have to edit your name, and then paste some invisible special letters. So I have pasted them. As you can see, there's something written in the display name, but it's invisible. So yeah, those are some special magical letters that I have found from the grave of late Harry Potter. So let's save them. Okay, now they have been saved. Okay, now as you can see, my name has went invisible. There is no name here. So if I type something to someone, if I message them, only the message will appear but not my name. And similarly, you can again go into display name. There is no display name, so I'm pretty much a ghost here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have put in the description those invisible magical letters. So don't forget to copy them and avoid the brackets, because I have put them in the brackets so that you can see them, because they are invisible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.